Good morning, everyone. Thanks for tuning into the show today. For your viewing pleasure, we have a 2019 Ram 1500, brand new. It's got nary but 1,500 miles on it. And we're gonna do a modest package today. It's gonna be a level kit with some tires on the existing wheels, but it's the first 2019 that we've had an opportunity to do, so I'm gonna be pretty excited about it. Just wanna take a look at the interior just to show you guys what the 2019 is bringing to the table. This particular package is a Laramie. Very good looking vehicle. Completely redesigned. What do y'all think about the new body style? New interior? Everything's gonna come out good, I think. Okay, there's the truck in the air. We're actually getting back together with assembly. Just wanted to give you guys a close-up. So the level kit, like many of the other level kits, is just going to be a strut top spacer. So basically what we do is we remove the factory strut, we take the spindle apart, remove the factory strut, install the strut spacer, put everything back together, and bam, that's how you get your level. Very awesome stuff. We're putting the wheels back on, and we're going to get back on the alignment rack in a second. So we're in the 19 Ram. We just put a level kit on it. I'm holding the phone while I'm driving. I probably shouldn't, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how the vehicle drives and how it looks. This vehicle is probably the nicest Ram I think I've ever been in. I'm typically a Ford guy, but this vehicle definitely swings me towards the Ram 1500. This is probably the nicest Ram I have ever experienced. It drives really well. The way that it handles with the level kit, you can't even tell it's been leveled. As far as the ride quality, it is fantastic. I really enjoy this vehicle. I really enjoy the way that it drives. It's just all around amazing. I love it. Let me know what you think about this interior, and if you've had an opportunity to drive one, drop an opinion in the comments. Let me know what you think. And we are back on the ground, looking very good. Like I said before, level kit can tend to be a more modest upgrade to the vehicle as far as cost is concerned, but when it comes to curb appeal, it definitely does add quite a bit to it. This particular package keeps the factory wheels. Level kit does allow to upgrade to a better offset wheel, and of course we did upgrade the tires. We went with the Nitto G2 AT in a 305/55, which can equate to a 33 by a 12.5. Again, this is a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive. Feel free to leave your opinions in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the 2019s. Let me know what you think about the way that it sits with the level kit and these tires. Maybe let us know what you'd like to see in the future as far as the 2019 package. I personally think it came out looking great. I want to say thank you so much to our customer. And thank you for watching these videos. My name is Trent. This is 4x4WORKS in McKinney, Texas. Please click that like button. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Check out all my other YouTube videos. Of course, please give me a shout if you would like any work done. We would love to help you out. 469-424-0028. Just ask for Trent. Thank you so much, and you guys have a great day.